So when you want to use the templates, it's a pretty straightforward process. You would just come inside the CRM, and if you're a template user, you'll automatically see these little links. Like here's a edit template right there, and then another one right there, right? And so when you're editing these things, you want to be mindful of the curly brackets with the words in all caps. Those cannot be changed at all. You can move them around though. That's fine, but you can't change them. And then, so we're going to go to just a regular web page, something not in the CRM. See how those work as well. So what you see, you can see them here. And so I'll click on this. And then here, you can once again see those words with in all caps. And those are actually repopulated by the database, but you'll see these other dynamic blocks. And so also be really mindful about what's between these blocks, because this is what creates a list. So you see here in the template, it's just this one iteration, right? But over here, there's a whole bunch, and that's controlled from the database and the code that runs the system. So those are automatically populated. So you could change these things if you want to. So the way you change it, so we'll go over here. Maybe we'll just bold the subtitle as an example. EM. Right? And then you can test it. You don't have to actually submit it quite yet. You can just do a test. I just did a Control S. That's on Windows, Macintosh, or even that one. Oh, I guess we don't have any subtitles inside there. Let me do something else. You can. What's nice about this is you can also do the. You can undo what you added manually. So let's see here. What is showing? The dates are showing. So let's just make the dates bold. Not everything has to be populated inside the system, so we don't always. It's up to you what you want to enter into the system most of the time. You just gather the essentials and let you decide the details. So I just made it bold like that, right? But I don't really like it. So there's two ways. One is like if you're still on that page, you can just do your undo, which is Command Z or Control Z, depending on which operating system you're in, or you can do a restore, right? That's another way to do it. And that's it. But if you do like it, then you just click Make Live, and that's it. That's how you edit these things. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a restore. Okay, you can see it's back here. I'll go over there. You can see that's now changed back. Let's have a look at the header and footer real fast. Right? So inside the header and footer, you can see we have basic HTML and stuff. So if you have something you want to stick inside here, you would stick it between these head tags. That's where you'd stick it. We do have a little bit of the body inside here, but the word main is where most of the body is assembled. The other parts are things like log in, log out, things that are on all the pages. So you'd put like whatever tracking code, whether you're using Google or Facebook or some of the screen capture stuff, you'd put that all up there, or if it says to put it down here inside the footer. But yeah, this is where you would do it. Hopefully this helps. Thanks.